Soi Joe in Pattaya. I'm down here at Soi Arunatai. We'll have a look. It's Friday, 6th of August. We'll have a look down here. I'll show you some clubs and bars, even though everything's pretty much closed due to COVID. It's about 32 degrees today. It's hot, sticky. Still allowed out and about to do our shopping for food. The COVID cases is hanging around at the moment. It's not getting any better, but let's hope it doesn't get any worse. We love these carts, food carts on the bikes. Now have a look up here. Look at this little area. These are all little bars here. Not Bar, Nang. Even ones in there. You'd never know bars were up here unless you lived up this way. The Wild 13 Sports Bar. That looks cool. That'll all come back, I'm sure. Even along here, they're all little bars in there, up there. And the Narun Grand Villa, some cheap condos in there now. Seen them advertised 4,000 a month. The old Wombat Bar, looking pretty sad there. I'm sure someone will take that on because they've got a great area here, swimming pool, could have a live band, restaurant. Would be a great spot there. The new 7-Eleven they put in there. Look at this, you can buy, if ever you run out of petrol, you can buy it there, 20 baht, 30 baht petrol. They put all these new little shops in just here. This was all an empty block of land. They just put these things up. I guess they'll do the rest in this bit. They're the back of Narun condos there. Show you a couple of clubs up here, gentlemen's clubs. Oh, that's new too. Still building that, whatever it's going to be. We'll go up there in a sec. Have a look at this here. A lot of people don't know these clubs are here. Club 4, Amsterdam. I think there's a few have closed for good. A few might come back. 007, Bada Bing, Pirates Hostess Club. They were all fairly busy here and there. Let's go take a look around here. I'll show you something else you probably never see. Little back street area here. There's a little resort just here. Of course, all the shops on this side, nothing happening. Look at this, there's no name on it. I don't know if it's a private house. It's a big block of land. Oh, At Home Resort Pattaya. Have a swimming pool inside there. Can't see much from here. But that's in the middle of, you'd never find that. It's close to Central Pattaya. Oh, there's one for you. Sisters Centre for Transgender. Well, I guess they probably help a few people out. The Kerry's Express must be their substation there. And just here is Nadia's expats. Nadia expat. You get cheese and whatnot in there. Falang Supplies. City centre residence. Those condos I've seen for about 10,000 baht a month. Swimming pool and gym in there. Soi Bongkoch, I think it's called. Soi Bongkoch. Let's take a look up here. There's a couple more clubs just around the corner. We've got the Urban Attitude condos. They look quite nice in there. Swimming pool up there, I guess. Just here, the Babylon Gentlemen's Club. Oh, there's Nadia's. That's Nadia's kitchen. Anyone's looking for food there, that's where it is. Looks nice. It's not too expensive. But look at that. Babylon Gentlemen's Club and Malibu Club. They're ones you never see. All these little side streets that you never go up and down. Find lots of little interesting stuff. But it's still good to be in Pattaya. It's hot. We can still get food. We can still walk around. There's a little villa, LK Villa. A little housing resorts there. A swimming pool in that bit. This road leads up to South Pattaya Road. Little karaoke club. You find little clubs everywhere here and there. There's South Pattaya Road. That's my motorbike shop over there. If you need any parts or fixing your motorbike, they're pretty good. Cheap prices, change oil. South Pattaya Road here, which they redid. New concrete. I think I've shown you along here before. The Piaggio scooter shop. You want a Vespa? Alright guys and girls, giving you another look. Not at much, I know, it's a bit disappointing.